You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to say the word, the name. How to pronounce Benjamin. That's your English pronunciation, but how it's said in French. It exists in French as well. It's quite a popular boy's name, pronounced Benjamin. How to pronounce French pronunciation? Ben-ja-min. Benjamin. How to pronounce in French? How to say Benjamin in French pronunciation? Benjamin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.